Hi everyone, I'm Rashmita Redkar, Product Marketing Manager on Google Maps platform. And I'm joined by Frankly Bolt, Google Maps platform's retail and CPG lead based in Germany. We are very excited that you've joined us today as we help you plan ahead for a successful 2024 holiday retail season. Now that we are midway through the year, we are going to showcase ways that you can use Google Maps platform to build engaging and immersive experiences that connect the customer journey for your shoppers no matter where they are. Let's start by checking in on your customers. Shoppers have never had more options or greater expectations than they do today. They are loaded with ways to research products or discover retailers. As you know, they have evolved to a true omnichannel approach, with 85% of consumers shopping two or more channels from offline to digital, including maps, video, and social. Shoppers have pivoted from spontaneous purchases to more intentional shopping, with 71% of consumers saying they are more thoughtful about what they spend their money on. Finally, shoppers have moved away from brand loyalty, with 60% of consumers feeling less loyal to their favorite brands as a result of rising prices. This is especially true during the holidays when shoppers take a deliberate approach to buying for others as the season begins. Last year, shoppers researched about three quarters of purchases they made from October into January. And then it's crunch time. This year, Black Friday will happen 5 days later than last year, giving people less time to complete their holiday shopping during the peak part of the holiday season. With half of their shopping still left to complete, omnichannel is critical for determined last minute shoppers. 2 in 3 holiday shoppers in the US make decisions about what they are going to buy before they get to the store. So, what does all of this mean for retailers? For retailers, the stakes are high every holiday season. Consumers expect a seamless experience as they shift from online to offline. And location intelligence plays a big role at each customer touchpoint. Over the past few years, geospatial experiences have emerged as a major competitive differentiator for retail. The acceleration of AI, advances in machine learning, and innovation in 3D immersive mapping are transforming what companies can do with geospatial technology. Building with Google Maps platform gives brands the opportunity to create a connected shopper journey for your customers or even an immersive experience. When you build with Google Maps platform, you can reach your users wherever they are with our global coverage mapped faster and more accurately with AI. You can build with industry leading maps, 3D imagery, details on over 250 million places, and even environmental data. You can deliver experiences or operations backed by our fast, scalable infrastructure. And you can do it all with the familiar Maps interface that your customers already know and love.
Over the last decade, we've invested heavily in data, tools, research, and resources that improve customer experience from discovery to checkout. Before we share some really cool immersive experiences retailers can create to engage with customers this holiday season, let me share some of our core products that you can use to drive traffic to your store, improve product discovery, and simplify checkout and delivery. Let's start with discovery and how you can help your customers discover your brand and store. 87% of holiday shoppers report using Google properties like search, maps, and YouTube before visiting a store, often searching by brand or retailer name. You can use our Store Locator Plus to help customers find your stores by displaying stores nearby and give them the context they need when they are searching. You can also show distance or directions to your store, offer drop down options for refining results, and add store level details like services offered or ratings. The new Places API supports twice as many place types now, more than 200, and allows you to provide greater contextual information like parking and accessibility, EV charging stations, or even the neighborhood vibe. Just last month at Google I/O, we also announced the experimental release of Gemini model capabilities for Places API to provide AI-powered place and area summaries. In addition to using rich information about more than 250 million businesses and places, like ratings, reviews, and business hours, Developers will also be able to show helpful generative AI summaries of places and geographic areas right in their own apps and websites. Customers are also searching for specific products available nearby, with mobile Near Me Now searches increasing 150% year over year. You can integrate your inventory data with the user's location to create a product locator that gives customers the information they need for local pickup and delivery options and also drives additional revenue. For example, shoppers who choose local pickup options have a 13% higher conversion rate. That is even 19% when choosing local delivery. Finally, 45% of local pickup customers make an additional purchase upon arrival. Next, you can improve checkout and delivery success for your customers and generate more revenue. The next generation autocomplete makes checkout faster for customers entering their addresses and getting ready to buy. It can drive a 15% increase in conversion rates. An address validation corrects or adds missing parts of customer address data and provides metadata that improves the delivery. This data gives customers confidence in checking out and ensures deliverability, which saves money from shipment mishaps and improves customer lifetime value. All of these products will ensure a seamless shopping experience for your users. But the future of retail is immersive. More than ever, retailers need to create unique experiences for the holidays to engage customers, delight them, and build brand connection. 73% of brands see moderate to significant impact from using geospatial services to communicate information to increase customer engagement. Audiences shop and consume content differently, motivating brands like yours to use geospatial tech to engage with customers in new ways. For example, most of Generation Z consumers who shop at brick and mortar stores also shop online, and they value experiences more than possessions. So, bridging the gap between in person and virtual with an engaging experience is key to earning their loyalty. It's a fine line between purely shopping and being entertained, with 37% of Generation Z reporting they shop online as entertainment. According to Forbes, immersive commerce models have demonstrated higher conversion rates, lower return rates, and higher sales volumes with Gen Z customers. So, bringing maps to your immersive retail experience unlocks possibilities for driving the type of engagement that most brands are looking for today. From top level awareness and cultural relevance to social engagement to store visits and purchase. Here are a few examples for using maps to create exactly these types of experiences. You could create a 3D map gamified treasure hunt to attract new users to your website and reward them with real world prizes, merch, or offers for playing. An electronic retailer could hide a hot selling holiday gift as 3D objects anywhere in your branded world of dynamic maps and aerial views. Give players hints about their location in the game and through social channels. Show a leaderboard to spark social conversations and activity. Let's check out the case study for an interactive quest. In 2021, to celebrate Easter, Cadbury created the world's first global virtual Easter egg hunt, allowing customers to share real world surprises with friends and family. Their immersive experience campaign resulted in over 2.26 million site visits, over 809,000 hidden virtual eggs, and sales of 14,500 real Cadbury Easter eggs. The Cadbury Worldwide Hype platform was the number one Mondelez international website globally. You could also do a merch drop with influencer partners, connecting a social media, online app, and in-store visits into one cross-channel campaign. A handbag brand could coordinate teasers for timed drops of the newest bag across its own social channels and influencer posts. Players will then race to be among the first to find the drop and win an exclusive QR code. When they take the code to their nearest store, they'll be one of the lucky few to win the drop. You can even incorporate a personalized AI chatbot into your digital shopping experience to personalize the shopping experience. With Vertex AI Shopping, brands and retailers can tailor their chatbot experience to suit their specific brand. With a voice that embodies the brand personality or by working with influencers or celebrities to train the chatbot. For example, an apparel retailer could promote a new women's line by working with a famous model. training the chatbot to talk like her and help visitors find styles that suit them. Try them on with a built in AR visualizer, all through a friendly chat interface. Or you could make an even more immersive store finder. You can integrate high quality photos, Google ratings, store specific offers, inventory, and much more while styling the store to match your brand. Displaying store level information can deliver a 10% increase in online to offline conversion. And you can entice customers into your store by creating personalized offers with structured address data and address validation. Using geodata to deliver relevant promotions can increase average cart size by 11%. You could even use augmented reality to let customers try on or visualize your products within your app.
Now, let me share my personal favorite example of an in app immersive shopping experience that is personalized, engaging, and can drive store traffic during the holidays. Let me show you a demo. Here we have a fictitious luxury retailer called Sofia Canali. Sofia Canali needs an international campaign to raise awareness for a new line of sunglasses and drive store traffic. They need a campaign that's immersive and compelling for everyone and bridges the digital and the physical worlds. They start with the US version, which anyone worldwide can participate in. It starts off with you can be a part of the new Sofia Canali influencer campaign. Virtually try on your favorite Sofia Canali sunglasses for a chance to star on a real billboard in Times Square, New York. Here we see a map with locations for the billboards and locations for Sofia Canali stores across Manhattan highlighted in the Sofia Canali brand colors. Here we are using some of our key Google Maps platform products and features, including dynamic maps with cloud based map styling and advanced markers. That's the custom shaped markers like the sunglasses here. And data driven styling, which lets us highlight the map in Sofia Canali brand colors. Each pin also has a place card with crucial store details such as photos, distance to the store, and ratings. This context further builds brand connection and makes it easy for the users to choose the store. Now let's zoom in as we continue into the experience and as the 2D experience turns into a 3D experience for even more immersion. We want everyone, whether they are in NYC or not, to feel like they are really there and really a part of this. Next, we go to Central Park for enormous campaign billboards. Here, we can navigate by moving the map, by finding our favorite influencer, who, by the way, is getting some nice kickbacks in this campaign, or by browsing the sunglasses collection. But if it's useful for your brand campaign, you can limit the user's movement if you want to. We are using photorealistic 3D tiles available through the Map Tiles API with the cesium renderer here. Now we get the influencer experience. Each influencer has a trained AI chatbot. A customer can ask about the sunglasses they are wearing, which suits their face shape best, or how this influencer would style them. You can use Dialogflow CX and Vertex AI to build this chatbot. Here we can even try on these pair of sunglasses virtually. If you like the look, you can take a photo and see what it would look like on a billboard in Times Square, again in immersive 3D. So it's just like what it would look like if you were really there looking at your real billboard. From here, you can submit the picture to the contest or retake it or share to social media what you look like as a part of this campaign. Or back at the chatbot, you get to try them on for real at one of the Sofia Canali stores in the city. Once the customer gets to the store, they have a photo booth to try on the sunglasses in real life and have another way to upload those pictures to the competition. Plus, by using this experience, they have earned a free gift with purchase in store, another incentive to drive store traffic. This way, everyone has a chance to play. Are you near a Sofia Canali store? Great. Are you far away? No problem. We are bridging the real and virtual experiences, and everyone gets to preview themselves on a billboard in Times Square. Of course, you can create another in person event when you unveil the real billboard in Times Square with the winner. And then Sofia Canali can repeat this for every country where they have a store presence because photorealistic 3D tiles are available in over 2,500 cities in more than 50 countries. People can preview themselves becoming famous influencers all around the world.
To close for today, the retailers with real world locations are especially well positioned to take advantage of geospatial. We hope you've learned how you can connect the stops on your customer journey and drive store visits, online conversion, and revenue this holiday season. And we hope you've been inspired to start creating an immersive experience that builds brand awareness and engages your customers wherever they are. Thank you so much for joining today's webinar. To get started, you can work with Google to find the right geotech to build into your Maps experience this holiday season and all year round. Drop your details onto the form to ask questions or get our guidance. Or visit our website, mapsplatform.google.com, to see more examples of retail success and immersive experiences. See you next time!